everyone, welcome to Hey everyone, welcome to Homestead and Hustle. I have the turkeys helping me today. I'm in the turkey pen because I'm going to actually talk about turkeys, and it's also cooler in here. It's so hot today, and I wanted to share with you what we did this summer. One of the things that we did is we processed a couple of our turkeys. We know that it was a little early, but we had some turkeys that were getting a little bit aggressive with each other. Not with us, but with each other. And so we decided to go ahead and give turkey processing a try. And we processed, chickens and ducks, but we've never processed a turkey before. So David and our son decided to go ahead and give that a try. And we did process 2 and fried them, which were delicious. And we actually did a little Thanksgiving sample for our daughter-in-law, who is from Australia and has never celebrated Thanksgiving. So we just kind of showed her a little sample of how we do it here on the homestead. And of course, when we do any kind of celebration here on the homestead, there's always some target shooting, and the guys usually like to blow up something. So we'll share that with you too. And when we process chickens and ducks, we use the cone for the processing part. And well, of course, the turkeys are way too big to go in that, but you'll see what David and our son came up with that David was really excited about and said it worked excellent. So we're real excited to share that with you. And yes, she's being very noisy. And also we want to thank everybody for all of the subscribing and comments and watching our videos. The turkeys are upset about the dogs being around for some reason all of a sudden. And because we have now over 500 subscribers, almost to 600 now. And we're working on, of course, getting more subscribers to share all of our videos. And we've been very busy this summer with company and a lot of family events, so we've kind of slowed down just a little bit, but getting ready to pick it back up again. So we just want to thank everybody for your support and for watching our channel. And so anyway, we're going to show you a sample of Thanksgiving here on the homestead in the summertime. Okay, had to move away from the turkeys because they're being way too loud, because I want to share one more thing with you. At the end of this video, we're going to talk to you about the Runaway Homestead and a little something they did. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video so you won't miss out. Hope I got that right.
Okay. That should work.
All right. Oh, I do fit in the net.
Worked out pretty good.
Got him? and they usually will pass out by the time we get to them. They start kind of going unconscious. Put this in there, but oh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
This is who's gonna cut it, so I want to see it. And how long do you fry it? You know?
3 minutes pound plus 5.
3 minutes per pound plus 5. Okay.
That's 30 minutes for you and me.
30 minutes. Our daughter-in-law is from Australia. She's never had Thanksgiving dinner, so we're giving her a little sample of Thanksgiving.
All of it. Apple fritters.
Okay. We're having a sample Thanksgiving with our daughter-in-law that's from Australia. We're having fried turkey, green bean casserole, fabulous potatoes, rolls, green bean, what did I say, green bean casserole already? And stuffing. So, anyway, we're just enjoying the outdoor early Thanksgiving so that we'll sample Thanksgiving to show her how it's done.
Sorry. Oh my gosh.
You see the snow?
That's so loud. I'm going to check on rain.
Hey, we want to tell you about a channel we've been watching lately. It's a couple in Kentucky, Cam and Perry. It's called Runaway Homestead. And they've got 3.5 acres in Kentucky doing all kinds of things. They've got some meat, chickens, they got some rabbits, some other animals. They do some crafts, recipes, food storage, and woodworking. They do some music, which we really like. So check out their videos. He's got a shop tour video that I really like. They've got a couple of music videos that Perry's done, and they're also really good. Plus tons of recipes and food prep videos. So check them out. We really like them. It's Runaway Homestead. Give them a look.